Good evening, dear students. Today we are in the very important segments of trigonometry. As you can see that it is the topic trigonometric identity. Previous year questions, which are very most important question in one of the aspect in coming examination of your board examination, especially for grade 10. This can be also helpful in upcoming RRB exams, SSC exams, and all the various topics in which trigonometry is a part of their syllabus. So trigonometric identity, as we have discussed in the previous videos, that the basic functions are sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. And as I said to you that please convert the trigonometric identity into simpler form so that you can reach to the right hand side and left hand side very easily. All the questions which we will discuss today, that will be completely based on the previous year asked question. So in the same segment, today the first question is cosec square theta minus 1 into tan square theta is equal to 1. My dear, as I said you that to solve the trigonometric identity, we can use the functions like CC, SC and ST. We have the shortcuts formula I have already given to you, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and like that we can use that function here. As you can see that it is in the form of cosec square theta minus 1. So it can be converted that as I gave you the shortcut formula of CC, this formula we can use cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. The three basic formulas were SC, ST and CC. They all values were 1. So we can use here cosec square theta minus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. So cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So this can be written as cot square theta into tan square theta, and you very well know that tan and cot are the reciprocal of each other. So my dear, it can be written as 1 upon tan square theta into tan square theta. So finally we got the answer as 1. The second method for the same question, as I said you that you should convert the complex function into simple. Like if the tan and cot is available over here, we can convert these values into sin and cos. The second method for the same, cosec square theta can be written as 1 upon sin square theta minus 1 into tan square theta can be written as sin square theta upon cos square theta. Now my dear, if we take the LCM, it can be written as sin square theta 1 minus sin square theta, sin square theta upon cos square theta. 1 minus sin square, again the formula is same, SC. The use of SC formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From here we got that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So my dear, I can write cos square theta upon sin square theta into cos square theta upon sin square theta. Sorry. So when we will simplify it, we will get 1. So you can see that it is not so much complex as the students think. This topic is very simple. जैसा सभी विद्यार्थी सोचते हैं कि ये बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स टॉपिक है, ऐसी बात नहीं है. अगर आप दिल से मन से करें तो बहुत ही आसान टॉपिक है. इसी के साथ हम लोग सेकंड क्वेश्चन की ओर चलते हैं. दैट सेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1 into 1 minus cosec square theta is equal to minus 1. This question was asked in CBSE 2015. This question was asked in 2015. This question was asked in 2016. So one kind of each type is very important. The application of this shortcut, if I explain you the shortcut once again, in the basics function I have explained AC, HT and CC. The value of all is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So you can see that the application of this is a very much important role in the identities, and the questions were asked in 15 and 16 from this segment. So my dear, if we convert sec square theta minus 1, right now we wrote sec square theta, if we convert the simplest form, 1 upon cos square theta minus 1 into 1 minus sin, 1 upon sin square theta. If we take the LCM, cos square theta 1 minus cos square theta into sin square theta minus 1 upon sin square theta. Finally, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Here it is cos square theta, and sin square theta minus 1 is not a formula, so we will take minus 1 as a common, and finally it can be written as 1 minus sin square theta upon sin square theta. You can see it can be cancelled. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Minus 1 into cos square theta upon cos square theta minus 1. So this question can also be solved using the formula sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So that can also be implemented over here. So no need to stick on only one method. Whatever the method you feel that it is easier, kindly follow to get good marks. So in the same sequence, if we come to third question, sec theta into 1 minus sin theta into sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. So sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta. In the very much first class of trigonometry, I have told you that S is the reciprocal of C and C is the reciprocal of S. From where S, C. Okay. 1 minus sin theta, sec theta can be written as again 1 upon cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta. Now this is 1 upon cos theta. If we multiply in the 1 upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta cos theta. So my dear, you can see that in the numerator we are getting one algebraic identity, that is a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. Finally we got in the numerator part as 1 square minus sin square theta upon cos square theta, and we have done this formula so many times. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So cos square theta upon cos square theta, the numerator and denominator both are same, so it will be cancelled. So finally we will get 1, and you can see that in this way these three questions were asked in 2015 and 16. So my dear students, please be connected for more questions from the trigonometric identity section. Thank you.